Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 26th, 2025, and we're going to analyze Tesla, TSLA, stock, looking at both recent news and the chart data. Recent headlines are buzzing about Wedbush analyst Dan Ives raising Tesla's price target to $500 due to the upcoming Robotaxi launch in June. Elon Musk also believes Tesla could be worth more than the next 5 largest companies combined, driven by autonomous vehicles and humanoid robots. However, other reports express concerns about Tesla's high valuation, with some analysts setting price targets below the current price. We'll see how these narratives play out on the charts. Let's start by looking at the daily chart. We can see a volatile period since the beginning of 2024, ranging from a low around $140 to a high near $480. Currently, the price is around $339. Zooming in on the more recent price action, we see a consolidation pattern forming, with potential support around $330 and resistance near $350. If the Robotaxi news is truly bullish, we might expect to see a breakout above $350 and a test of higher levels. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look. On this timeframe, we can see more granular price movements and potential short-term trading opportunities. Notice how the price has been fluctuating between $330 and $347 over the past few weeks. This shorter timeframe might be used to play smaller up and down swings between known support and resistance areas. Looking at the 15-minute chart, the current support appears to be near 337 and resistance at 341. Any break below the support could see the stock go lower to 335, and a break over resistance could test the 343 level. Pay close attention to volume patterns, as increased volume on breakouts can confirm the validity of the move. Also keep an eye out for any further news or announcements regarding the Robotaxi launch, as these could significantly impact short-term price action. Based on the Robotaxi hype, a bullish scenario could see Tesla rising to $350 in the short term, with a potential to reach $400 if the launch is successful and positively received by the market. I believe there's a 60% chance of reaching $350 if near-term market conditions are favorable and no negative news arises. Conversely, if the Robotaxi launch is delayed or receives negative reviews, we could see a bearish scenario with Tesla falling to $300 or even lower. There's a 40% chance of this if the launch is poorly executed and market sentiment shifts negatively.